Morning, everybody. Market up or down? The market was down today, just slightly. We're up in the after hours. Saw the headline news. Rates are up. Doesn't change the trading plan one bit. You can see down 0.13 here as the computer continues to struggle here. Um, but if you missed the video this morning, you should go back and check it out. Hacking the PDT rule. It did pay out because we were able to move PNFP. Two total shares, 92.99. We'll get the spreadsheet up to date. And this is important because we're getting towards the end of the month. We're short of our goal. So every little bit helps going into the end of it. All right. Today is the 30th. Faster than the computer, it looks like. There we go. So as we get our grand total, 11/12 for the month. Still time, anything can happen, but we'll add dividends as well. So we're pretty close to our goal, pretty good so far. So the next step of the trading plan is to find one of these companies on the screener. Or rather be smallest to largest is the idea. Okay, we got more companies on the screener, so it tells you that the market is starting to fall. And as the list gets larger, there should be more and more quality on here. So as you look at the list, there is nothing on here that we already have. UPS is a quality company, but it is not in my universe. So the next step is universe. And then after that, I just do top to bottom. So we'll go right into looking at them from the top to the bottom. Try to put all the money in and try again tomorrow. So we have dividends. Debt is low. If you add these up and divide by 2, the average is under 15. AIG for 77.41. Nice and easy. Again, try to keep the position size to 1% of the total account without using partial shares. So it's going to be 1 share here. And we're still in timeout, so we can't do the round trip order, but we can hack the PDT if these orders fill in the after hours tonight. Anytime after midnight, we can do some work. We got $492. We need to put it all to work if we can find something. Computer's laggy, but if you're still here, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and share this with your friends. Again, we're still near the all-time highs. Market's up in the after hours. People usually flinch when something like this happens, and that provides opportunity for trading. So that's why I like to trade and invest both. There's opportunity here. 77.41 closing print. Limit order good till cancel. Extended hours. Check the confirmation screen. 77.41. Check. Ship it. We got filled 77.41. Perfect. So this will be eligible to hack the PDT. I'll see the real ones after midnight. So if you're there, check back in. We're 15:30. Still have money. Not going to overthink it. Just going to go down the list. The most important thing is to execute the plan, not to overanalyze every little detail. This is still only going to take a few minutes, even though I can't load a web page. All right, next one. Iridium. PEs are too high. And that, as we've seen the last few days, shows you that we're not in a deep correction. KTB, Contour, PEs are good. Dividends are there. Debt is very high, but it's under our limits. 57.39 for Contour. Now we're just ripping through this list till we're out of money. Usually in a panic like this too, we should get more fills right here as the market has just closed off. $57.39 on the closing print. Limit order good till cancel. Extended hours. Check the confirmation screen. There it is. $3.57. Still have money. Back to the list. LKQ, this is one we kept looking at. I don't think it qualifies, but just for consistency's sake, we'll take a look. It's missing the dividend EST, so this is a no-go. LMT, Lockheed Martin. This is actually my universe. We would have had just enough to take it too, so that's a misstep. This night shift stuff is killing me. PEs are too high anyway. I'm not very sharp when I don't get my rest, so we're working to fix that. Here we go here. PEs too high. Otis again. PEs are too high. You keep checking them every day because as the price goes down, the PE will go down with it. PNFP, which we just hit today, and you can see it's down lower than it was the last 2 days, but we actually sold profits, so we're making money as this stock is going down, and that is the awesome part of my strategy. You got dividends, low debt, low PEs, 90 and a penny, PNFP. Let's see if we can shear the sheep one more time. We're not trying to skin it. Hopefully we get all these to fill in the after hours. You know, you don't know, you don't have control over that, but you've got to at least have your order in. Most people won't even put the effort in. $90.01 limit. Until cancel extended hours. Check the confirmation screen. Boom. Still have 260 bucks or whatever. We got to fill 90.01, which is nice. That gives us more opportunity to use effort to increase profits. Man, this thing is slow. All right. RLI, PNC, it hasn't been fitting. PEs are too high immediately. SLGN, dividends. If you add these up and divide by 2, you will get under 15. And this debt is very, very, very high, but it is under 4. So 4730 SLGN. All right, should be slowly running out of money here. 4730, is that what we ended up with? It is. We've got a weird thing where it's down in the after hours, but I always use the closing print. It's the same for me as it is for you. We're looking at the same thing. Good till cancel, extended hours always, and always a limit order. This should fill something crazy. 4714. So we got a great fill here. And it will be eligible for tonight's video as well. We got 220 left. All right. Unum. Life insurance here. Dividends, no debt, very low PEs. 7111 UNM. All right, only one more left, and then the video is over, whether we win or not. UNM. Limit order, good till cancel with the extended hours. Again, check the confirmation screen. Check. $149 left. And you see all these stocks have the same shape. They're cliffing off. They're in a panic. And it should be a very, very high success rate. I like to see this because it means we're probably going to move a lot of money tomorrow. Last one, UPS. Let's see if Brown can get it done. We do have enough money to take it, should it fit. Nice dividend. PEs are under 15. Debt is high, but it's under our limit. 87.18 for UPS. Still nice that we have all the money we need to buy all the stocks on the screener. It doesn't matter how smart you are. If you don't have money, you can't do stocks. It takes money. Computer barely works, but we're still doing this. So if you appreciate that, hit me with a like down there. And we're going to catch you tonight for the two-a-days. If you guys are really wanting it, you got an extra 5-10 minutes. 87.18. up in the after hours, that doesn't concern me at all. And you can see, for a little quick overview, uh, we built the portfolio out. We're down to $62 in cash. We basically put it all in today. Good work. Followed the system. Bought some good stuff at good prices. Now we wait for it to sell. So thank y'all for watching. We'll catch you in the next one.